Bollywood actor Irfan Khan passes away at 53. The actor was admitted to Mumbai's Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital on Tuesday, where he was taking treatment for colon infection. Irfan Khan in March 2018 revealed that he has been diagnosed with neuroendocrine tumor, a rare form of cancer that can target various parts of the body. Soon after the news of his death went viral, Bollywood mourns Irfan Khan's death. Actor Amitabh Bachchan said it's the most disturbing and sad news. Here's what Amitabh Bachchan said. Just getting news of the passing of Irfan Khan. This is the most disturbing and sad news. An incredible talent, a gracious colleague, a prolific contributor to the world of cinema, left us too soon, creating a huge vacuum. Prayers and duas. Actor Shah Rukh Khan also prayed for the actor. Here's what Shah Rukh Khan said. My friend, inspiration and the greatest actor of our times. Allah bless your soul, Irfan Bhai. We'll miss you as much as cherish the fact that you were part of our lives. पैमाना कहे है कोई, महकाना कहे है दुनिया तेरी आंखों को भी, क्या क्या ना कहे है. Love you. Actor Salman Khan says it's a big loss to the film industry. Here's what Salman Khan said. Big loss to the film industry, his fans, all of us, and especially his family. My heart goes out to his family. May God give them strength. Rest in peace, brother. You shall always be missed and be in our hearts. Actor Aamir Khan also expressed his feelings. Here's what Aamir Khan said. Very sad to hear about our dear colleague Irfan. How tragic and sad. Such a wonderful talent. My heartfelt condolences to his family and friends. Thank you, Irfan, for all the joy you brought to our lives through your work. You will be fondly remembered. Love, Aamir Khan. Actor Anupam Kher shared a video expressing his feelings towards the actor.
I am completely shattered and deeply saddened to know about the passing away of a very, very dear friend and colleague and drama school junior, Irfan Khan. It's not only the loss of the Hindi film industry, or it's a loss of the country and international entertainment world. He was an amazing actor, that goes without saying, but he was a wonderful human being also, very straightforward, with a great sense of humor, compassionate. It's so frightening and awful to talk about him in past tense. It's I don't know. I feel that it's too soon. It's too soon. 53 is no age. In fact, in today's time, no age is. We are already struggling with this pandemic, and we are trying to hold back our depression, our sadness. We are struggling, and then for this news to come is very, very sad. Very sad. My heart goes out to his wife and his child, and it will take us many, many years to register that he's not among us. It will take us many, many moments of some kind of. I just want to pray for his departed soul. I just feel it's sometimes the words are so insufficient to express shock and grief, and I will miss him. The world will miss him, and my Om Shanti, and may God rest his soul in peace. Irfan, this is not the way to deal with us.
Irfan Khan was known for his work predominantly in Hindi cinema as well as his works in British films and Hollywood. In a film career spanning almost 30 years and featuring in more than 50 domestic films, Khan had received numerous awards including a National Film Award and Filmfare Award in 4 categories. Film critics, contemporaries and other experts consider him to be one of the finest actors in Indian cinema for his versatile and natural acting. In 2011, he was awarded the Padma Shri, India's 4th highest civilian honor, for his contribution to the fields of art. Domestically, he made his screen debut with the Academy Award nominated film Salaam Bombay, followed by a series of roles in films that failed to propel his career forward. He received critical acclaim for playing negative roles in the drama films Haasil and Maqbool. For the former, he won the Filmfare Award for Best Villain. The successful drama Life in a Metro marked a turning point in Khan's career, earning him praise and several awards, including the Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actor. He rose to prominence with his portrayal of Pan Singh Tomar in the acclaimed biographical sports drama Pan Singh Tomar, which garnered him the National Film Award for Best Actor and a Filmfare Critic Award for Best Actor. His performance in the BAFTA Award-nominated romance The Lunchbox earned him universal acclaim by the critics and audiences. Khan went on to feature in commercially and critically successful films Haider, Gunde, Piku and Talwar. His highest grossing Hindi release came with the critically acclaimed comedy drama Hindi Medium, which became a sleeper hit in India and China, which ranks amongst highest grossing Indian films of all time, and earned him praise for his performance, winning several awards including the Filmfare Award for Best Actor. Globally, Khan worked in several international projects such as The Warrior, The Namesake, The Darjeeling Limited, the Academy Award winning film Slumdog Millionaire, New York, I Love You, The Amazing Spider-Man, Life of Pi, Jurassic World and Inferno. As of 2017, his films have grossed $3.643 billion at the worldwide box office. In 2018, Khan was diagnosed with neuroendocrine tumor. He passed away at the age of 53 on April 29, 2020. The world will always remember Irfan Khan for his immense contribution towards the art of filmmaking.